Welcome back to Fast Scratch Python. This is Ali from MediaWeb, and here in number 6 video, we're going to talk about some games. Okay, we're gonna do some games together. We're not gonna take any new content, but we're gonna use what we already took together, what we already learned, to use it like to create new creative games. Actually, I like to create my games and gather up my ideas during the video. I hope that's okay with my audience. And let's start. First, I was thinking about creating something like a dice game. Okay, sorry, that's a foreign language. Like a dice game. And then, in order to roll the dice, we need to choose randomly between the numbers inside the dice. So we need to import random. Then we're gonna say dice as a variable equal random dot randint between 1 and 6 to choose a random number using the randint function between 1 and 6. Here we can print you rolled a dice, and we're gonna say the number that the random number appeared in the dice, and then we're gonna say if dice equal to 6, we can say, or we can print you win, comma, we can write also, I think, jackpot. Yes, that's it. We can even put in like an emoji or something. Okay, jackpot. And we can write else if any other number, like if you got 6, you win jackpot. Otherwise, else, you lose, try again. See, that's it. So if I run this code, it's gonna give me you rolled a 2, you lose, try again. Run this code, you rolled a 5, you lose, try again. Let's see what if we rolled a 6. A 5, 3, 2, 3. This is gonna be a long journey. You win, jackpot. Okay, so this was the first game, the dice game. Okay, what other game can we play together? We can create now. We can create guessing game. Okay, in this guessing game, we're gonna like guess a secret number, and we're gonna check which number is it. Okay, so import random. We already imported random before, no need to import it again. So we need to write guess equal int input. Guess a number between 1 and 10. Or let's make it a little easier, 1 and 5. Okay, so here we're gonna say secret underscore number equal random dot randint open bracket. Since it's from 1 to 5, the random number, so we're gonna say 1 comma 5. Then we're gonna check if your guess equal to the secret number, put a colon, then we're gonna print you guessed correctly. Yes, you guessed correctly is great. Yes, we can put this emoji. I was searching about this emoji after all. Yes, then we can say else. We always use the else after the if to do another action. If you win, you guessed correctly. Otherwise, you guessed incorrectly, try again. So let's run this code. Let's see if we guess the number between 1 and 5. 2. You guessed incorrectly. Try again. Let's try one more time. 1. Oh, incorrectly again. I think I will never know. 4. Yeah, you guessed correctly. That's great. And just like that, you are officially a Python beginner. And the next level is coming through. Keep posted, keep subscribing and liking the channel. If you want like extra projects, extra tasks, extra practice, extra examples, extra anything. If you want to see like more details, more projects on my channel, or more explanation, or for example, if you want a tutorial about something like a specific something, feel free to write in the comment section, and I will read the comments and I will reply to them on a daily basis. Okay, and if you need anything at all, message me, write in the comments, and if you want to contact me, feel free to write your contact. Okay, and feel free to write your contact in the comments, and that's it. I will contact you anytime. And feel free to reach out to our Instagram page. This was my beginner series, and my name is Ali, and I work as a software developer here at MediaWeb. And that's it. We are all freelancers here. So if you need a project, or if you need to join in the fun, feel free to message us anytime on the Instagram page, or right here down in the comments, and I will see your comment and I will report it. Okay, that's it. And see you in the next one. But the next one will be a next series. Okay? Okay. Have a good day and see you. Bye.